Hey Busy Bees, it's Zong and welcome back to day 5 of our 30 days of healthy eating and living. Today I'm going to give you 5 inspiration to drink more water. I'm calling this vitamin water because it's going to be infused with all the essential vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. I've been giving you a lot of recipes to fuel your body, but drinking water and hydrating yourself is just as important, if not more. You need fuel, but you also need fluid to keep everything running smoothly. Get it? Get it? If you guys are excited for the next 25 days of healthy eating and living, be sure to hit this subscribe button below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because this video is gonna be epic. So the first water I'm gonna do is really great for the winter season. I'm gonna be infusing grapefruit and pomegranate. In my mason jar, I'll add a handful of pomegranate seeds and a few slices of grapefruit. Fill it up with water. Grapefruit is great for preventing and treating the flu, and pomegranates have antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties. I'll call this the cold buster. I like to refill this jug about 3 times with all the fruit, so once you're done drinking all the water, you can totally eat the fruit. So refreshing. So next up we have raspberries, orange, and mint. In my jar, I'll fill it with a handful of raspberries, some orange slices, and a sprig of mint. Fill it up with water. Raspberries have anti-inflammatory properties, and a whole orange can provide up to 130% of your daily recommended vitamin C. And mint can help freshen your breath. I love how vibrant this looks. We're gonna call this the refresher. Next up, we have blueberries and mangoes. Blueberry is great for skincare. It has anti-aging properties and it keeps your skin nice and supple. I will be eating a lot of blueberries this year. And then in the overnight oats videos, I told you guys that mango improves eye health and it's really great for lowering cholesterol too. So in my jar, I'll throw the blueberries in and some mango slices. Fill it up with water. I'm calling this one the Fountain of Youth. Next up, we have strawberry and lemon. This was inspired by a strawberry lemonade without all the sugar. So in the jar, I'll add a few slices of strawberries and a few lemon slices. Fill it up with water. Strawberries reduce hypertension, helps maintain normal blood pressure, and reduces cholesterol. And drinking lemon water helps absorb all the vitamins effectively. This reminds me of a warm, sunny, hot day in the summer. I'm gonna call this the warm and sunny. Refreshing. And finally, our last one is great for digestion. I have some green apple slices and some ginger slices. Add both into the jar. Fill her up with water. Apples improve the functioning of good bacteria in our gut. And ginger regulates high sugar levels and calms the stomach. I'm calling this one Smooth Move. And here are our 5 vitamin waters. We have the Cold Buster, the Refresher, the Fountain of Youth, the Warm and Sunny, and the Smooth Move. Tell me, you guys, which one would you try first? And also, just to let you know, all of these you can drink right away, but it tastes better if you let them infuse for about 15 minutes. You can keep refilling them until you pretty much have extracted all the flavors from the fruit. And then just eat the fruit. If you guys want to see 8 more ways to drink water, I have an old video for that I'll link towards the end. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to see the next 25 days of healthy living, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm thinking I'll make a healthy granola bar. What do you think? Bye!